powerhouse leafy greens you need in your diet. What if a single dietary change could supercharge your immune system, defend against chronic diseases, and keep your weight in check? Leafy greens are that game changer. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they act as nature's ultimate defense system. A 2021 study in Frontiers in Nutrition found that people who regularly eat leafy greens have a 15% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and are 20% less likely to develop diabetes. Despite these benefits, the average American falls short, consuming only 1.7 cups of vegetables daily, far below the CDC's recommended 2-3 cups. It's time to take action. Let's explore the powerhouse leafy greens your body craves and simple ways to make them a daily habit. The most nutrient-packed leafy greens. 1. Kale. Hailed as the queen of greens, kale is a nutritional powerhouse. Just 1 cup of raw kale delivers 134% of your daily vitamin C needs, 684% of your daily vitamin K needs, 206% of your daily vitamin A needs. Health benefits. Potent antioxidant defense, rich in flavonoids, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, kale fights oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, and lowers the risk of chronic conditions like cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. Enhanced bone strength and density. Packed with calcium and magnesium, kale supports bone mineralization, helping to lower the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. Optimized digestion and detoxification. Rich in fiber, kale nourishes gut microbiota, supports regular bowel movements, and enhances liver function for effective toxin removal. Heart health and cholesterol regulation. Studies suggest that kale consumption helps lower LDL cholesterol levels by increasing bile acid binding, which supports cardiovascular health. Supports eye health. Kale is packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, carotenoids that protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. How to eat kale. Toss kale into smoothies for a nutrient-packed breakfast, or massage it with olive oil and lemon juice for a tender salad. You can also bake kale chips for a guilt-free, crunchy snack. Interesting fact, a study published in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry found that steaming kale can enhance its antioxidant properties by up to 40%. 2. Spinach. Spinach, a nutrient-packed powerhouse. This versatile leafy green is as delicious as it is beneficial. Just 1 cup of raw spinach provides 181% of your daily vitamin K needs, 56% of your daily vitamin A needs, 6% of your daily iron needs. Health benefits, iron-packed vitality support. Spinach provides non-heme iron essential for oxygen transport and energy production, helping combat fatigue and prevent anemia. So, eye health and vision. Protection. Lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 powerful antioxidants found in spinach, protect against macular degeneration and cataracts by filtering harmful blue light. Cardiovascular support. Spinach is high in nitrates, which enhance blood flow, lower blood pressure, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Cognitive function and brain health. Contains folate and vitamin E, which are linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Blood sugar regulation. Compounds in spinach help slow glucose absorption, stabilizing blood sugar levels and reducing insulin resistance. How to include spinach. Add fresh spinach to omelets, blend it into green smoothies, or saute it with garlic and olive oil as a side dish. Statistic. A Harvard Medical School report highlighted that a diet rich in spinach can reduce the risk of cataracts by 18% and age-related macular degeneration by 25%. 3. Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a colorful and nutrient-dense leafy green that deserves a place on your plate. 1 cup provides 44% of your daily vitamin A needs, 18% of your daily vitamin C needs, 13% of your daily potassium needs. Health benefits. Cardiovascular support and blood pressure balance. Rich in potassium and magnesium, Swiss chard helps relax blood vessels, regulate blood pressure, and lower the risk of heart disease. Digestive wellness and blood sugar stability. Loaded with fiber, Swiss chard supports a healthy gut microbiome, enhances digestion, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Anti-inflammatory and liver detoxification. Betalains in Swiss chard exhibit strong anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties, which aid in liver function and toxin removal. Skin health and anti-aging. High vitamin A and C content promotes collagen production, improves skin elasticity, and protects against oxidative stress. Supports bone health. Swiss chard provides vitamin K, which is crucial for bone mineralization and reducing fracture risk. Meal ideas. Use Swiss chard leaves as wraps for sandwiches, or saute them with onions and balsamic vinegar for a flavorful side. Research insight. According to the American Heart Association, diets rich in potassium, like those featuring Swiss chard, may lower the risk of stroke by 27%. 4. Arugula, sometimes called rocket. Arugula is a peppery green that's low in calories but high in nutrients. A 100-gram serving contains water, 25% of your daily calcium needs, 47% of your daily vitamin K needs, health benefits, blood pressure and circulation. Arugula's high nitrate content helps dilate blood vessels, improving circulation and reducing blood pressure. Bone strength and density. Calcium and vitamin K are crucial for maintaining strong bones, preventing fractures and reducing osteoporosis risk. Cancer defense. Rich in glucosinolates, arugula supports detoxification and may help inhibit cancer cell growth, lowering the risk of certain cancers. Ways to enjoy arugula: toss it into salads, blend it into pesto for a zesty twist, or add it to sandwiches for extra flavor and nutrients. 5. Collard greens. A southern favorite, collard greens are both hearty and nutritious. Just 1 cup of cooked collard greens delivers 1,045% of your daily vitamin K needs, 45% of your daily vitamin C needs. Health benefits. Liver detox support. Rich in glucosinolates, collard greens stimulate detox enzymes in the liver, aiding in the elimination of toxins and carcinogens. Bone health and strength. With significant amounts of calcium and vitamin K, collard greens help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Digestive health and gut support. Their high fiber content aids digestion, promotes regular bowel movements and supports a healthy gut microbiome, reducing the risk of constipation and bloating. Heart health and cholesterol reduction. Collard greens contain bile acid-binding compounds that help lower cholesterol levels, improving cardiovascular health. Optimal cooking methods: slow simmer with smoked turkey for a traditional southern flavor, or swap tortillas for collard wraps in a nutritious twist. Scientific insight. Research published in the Journal of Functional Foods suggests that regular consumption of glucosinolates in collard greens may lower the risk of colon cancer by up to 30%. 6. Watercress, nutrient powerhouse. A 2022 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry ranked watercress as the most nutrient-dense vegetable per calorie, making it a potent addition to any diet. Nutritional highlights: high in vitamins A, C, and K, rich in phytonutrients and antioxidants. Health benefits: cancer-fighting properties. Rich in glucosinolates, watercress helps neutralize carcinogens and inhibit cancer cell growth, with studies linking it to reduced risks of breast and lung cancers. Immune system support. The high vitamin C content enhances white blood cell function, strengthening the body's ability to fight infections. Healthy skin and hair. Watercress promotes collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and hydration, while also supporting strong, healthy hair. Cardiovascular benefits. Rich in nitrates, watercress helps to improve circulation, reduce blood pressure, and support heart health. Anti-inflammatory effects. Its potent antioxidants help reduce inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like arthritis and diabetes. How to eat watercress. Toss it into salads for a zesty bite, blend it into nutrient-packed soups, or layer it onto sandwiches for an extra burst of flavor. Fact: a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that regular watercress consumption enhances skin elasticity and hydration, promoting a youthful appearance. Why these greens stand out. The term powerhouse highlights their exceptional nutrient density, the concentration of vitamins and minerals per calorie. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, leafy greens like watercress, chard, and spinach rank among the most nutrient-dense foods, delivering essential nutrients in every bite. Adding these greens to your diet helps prevent nutrient deficiencies, support longevity, and lower the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and diabetes. Tips for incorporating leafy greens into your diet. Smoothies. Blend kale, spinach, or watercress with frozen fruit and almond milk for a delicious green smoothie. Wraps. Use collard green leaves as wraps instead of tortillas for a low-carb meal. Fill them with hummus, grilled chicken, or veggies. Soups. Add Swiss chard or spinach to soups and stews for extra nutrition. Salads. Make arugula or watercress the base of your salads. Add a protein like grilled salmon or chickpeas for a complete meal. Snacks. Bake kale into crispy chips with olive oil and a sprinkle of sea salt. Storage tips. To maximize freshness and nutrient retention, store greens in a perforated plastic bag in the refrigerator. Wash them only before use to avoid premature spoilage. Conclusion: powerhouse leafy greens are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. From kale's bone-supporting minerals to spinach's energy-enhancing iron, each green delivers essential benefits that make it a crucial part of a healthy diet. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition links a diet rich in leafy greens to a 20% lower risk of heart disease and enhanced cognitive function in older adults. Start by incorporating a handful of leafy greens into your daily meals, and before you know it, they'll become a kitchen essential. Small changes lead to lasting habits because better health starts with every bite you take. Don't miss out on more content like this. Subscribe to our channel for weekly health insights and delicious recipes that will elevate your well-being. Let's embark on this journey to better health together.